Hey, Eddie Eagle, what time is it?
It's time for Video Dan Ranger! Hey, Buckaroos, you're a real cool cat. You got a little of this and a lot of that. I'm gonna play some red hot songs. Come on, everybody, let's sing along. Hands up, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands down, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands side, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands side, chigga chigga, chigga chigga.
That's right, kids. It's time for Learn Along with Video Dan Ranger, Eddie Eagle, and Bouncy the Bouncing Ball. We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor.
Hands up, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands down, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands side, chigga chigga, chigga chigga. Hands side, chigga chigga, chigga chigga.
Hi, folks, No Problem Man here. Suppose you buy our piano on special, but you find out you can't play the piano. No problem. Sit down and relax a while, but you say you want to watch a little TV. No problem. Now you're watching TV and you get the old munchies. No problem. Now you want to eat, but there's no place for the baby to sit. No problem. And the family gets through eating and you want to go for a walk. No problem. Call me the No Problem Man. I deliver.
And now, kids, here's Video Dan.
Hey Buckaroos, welcome to Musical Multiplication. You know, today we're going to learn the times tables in a real fun way because we've put them to music. And my good friend Harmony Hart is going to be here for support. Let's take the tables of ones. I want to show you about them.
The tables of ones are really the easiest. You know why? Any number that you multiply times 1, the answer is the same. You see, 1 times 2 is 2. You see the answer 2? That's the same number that you multiply times 1. Do you see that? Now when we do these times tables, I want you to write the answer down with your finger on your desk, okay? In this case, it's 2. Here we go with the ones. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. And 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 11 is 11. And 1 times 12 is 12.
Here come the tables of twos.
2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. And 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22, and 2 times 12 is 24.
Okay, all by yourself now.
Here come the threes.
3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7 is 21. And 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 11 is 33. And 3 times 12 is 36. All right, now you're on your own. Come on now, sing along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
boys and girls, here's my friend Eddie Eagle. Hi, Eddie, how you doing?
Great, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Listen, here you got a riddle.
You got that right?
What is it?
There's 2 ants in the kitchen.
There's 2 ants in the kitchen, yeah.
Which one's a cowboy?
Which one is the cowboy? I give Eddie. Which one is the cowboy?
The one on the range.
One on the range. Good, I get it. Hey, speaking of ants, we've got a great cartoon, and it's called...
Ants in the plants.
That's right. It's called Ants in the Plants.
I read the script.
Want to be his next victim? Then slam! We'll make him yell, Uncle. Yeah! For a brother and a good and a nothing and a good and
That anteater is really scary. We'll be right back to see what happens after these tables of 4s.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7 is 28. And 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. And 4 times 12 is 48.
Okay, here you go now, all by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful! Here come the fives. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3, 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60.
You've got it. Now you do it by yourself. Here we go. 2, 3, 4.
Time for the sixes. Here they come.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3, 18. And 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7 is 42. And 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54, and 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66, and 6 times 12 is 72.
Okay, time for you to be the lead singer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Enough with the times tables. What about the anteater?
That's funny that you should ask about the anteater, Eddie, because we're going to go right back to the cartoon right now.
Getting away! Nothing! Stop! Nothing! Caesar!
Well, I guess they're not going to be bothered by that anteater anymore. Hey, here come the tables of sevens.
7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7 is 49. And 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. And 7 times 12 is 84.
Okay, time for your solo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's terrifical. Here come the 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4.
8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7 is 56. And 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. And 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. And 8 times 12 is 96.
Okay, you're the lead singer now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, how about another cartoon?
We're going to see another cartoon, Eddie, right after these tables of nines.
9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. And 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 11 is 99. And 9 times 12 is 108.
Okay, time for your solo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're going to have that cartoon right now, Eddie, and it's called Snub by a Snob.
you know better than to consort with those donkeys of all people. If your mother could only see you now. That makes me so gall darn mad.
You are a gentleman and a scholar, and we sure thank you, sir.
You always welcome, sir.
I love happy endings. Don't you, Eddie?
It was adorable.
Yeah. Hey, guess what we're going to do now?
The tables of tens.
That's right.
All right,
Oh.
kids, let's sing along now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. And 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. And 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. And 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 11 is 110. And 10 times 12 is 120.
Okay, here come the 11s. 1, 2, 3, 4.
11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2, 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 5, 55. 11 times 6, 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times 12 is 132.
Hey kids, guess what? Here comes the very last ones, the tables of 12s.
12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. And 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7 is 84. And 12 times 8 is 96. 12 times 9 is 108. And 12 times 10 is 120. 12 times 11 is 132. And 12 times 12 is 144.
Well, buckaroos, I hope you had a good time today, and I hope you learned something too. Say goodbye, Eddie.
Adios, buckaroos.
Say goodbye, Bouncy.
Goodbye, Bouncy.
No.
Remember, we love you all, and treat your neighbors the way you want to be treated.
Children, stay children. Spread your love light all around you, smiling up to the sky. You can do anything you try, and may the road rise up to meet you, and may the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rains fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. Brothers, sisters, stay as one, you're all a part of me. Someday I'll sail along, and I'll be there when you sing this song. May the road rise up to meet you, and may the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rains fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand.
Hi, folks, how do you do? I'm Harmony Hart, and I want to tell you about our great educational line. It's called Fun Learning, and it's really fine. Primary math is a tape you see where the kids learn to count 1, 2, 3, and they learn to add, subtract, and divide. We even teach them how to multiply. Starting to read is a wonderful tape. The kids read along, and it's really great because they see the word at the very same time, so they learn a lot faster, and that's just fine. Soccer for Everyone shows how to play, and the rules and the drills to do every day. And Sunday school stories for everyone. They learn the Bible while having fun. There's Treasure Island, a literature tape, and our animal videos are really great. We've got Bill Cosby and Vincent Price, and Sonny and Cher and Sherry Lewis are nice. Fun learning. Fun learning is fun, 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 fun. Get fun learning today.